19th century, Gregor Mendel is about to uncover the fundamental laws of heredity, laying the foundation for modern genetics.
Good evening, Brother Mendel. Before we discuss your groundbreaking experiments, could you tell us a bit about your background? What led you to study the inheritance of traits?
Certainly. My name is Gregor Mendel, born on July 20, 1822, in Heinzendorf, Austria. I was ordained as a priest and later pursued my studies in mathematics and natural science. My fascination with the laws of nature led me to conduct experiments on pea plants, where I sought to understand how traits are passed from one generation to the next.
Your work with pea plants has had a lasting impact on the field of genetics. Could you explain the principles you discovered and why they were so revolutionary?
Through careful crossbreeding experiments, I discovered that traits are inherited according to specific patterns. I formulated what we now call the laws of segregation and independent assortment. These laws describe how genes are separated and recombined during reproduction, explaining the inheritance of traits in a predictable manner.
It's remarkable how your discoveries have influenced modern genetics. How did you ensure that your findings would be accepted and recognized by the scientific community?
At the time, my work was not widely recognized, as the scientific community was focused on other theories. However, I meticulously documented my experiments and published my findings in a scientific journal. It wasn't until decades later that my work was rediscovered and recognized for its significance in the field of genetics.
Your perseverance is inspiring. What challenges did you face in conducting your experiments and promoting your theories?
One of the biggest challenges was ensuring the accuracy and consistency of my experiments. I worked tirelessly to control variables and document the results. The limited acceptance of my work during my lifetime was disheartening, but I remain confident in the validity of my findings.
Your work has had a profound impact on science. How do you hope your contributions to genetics will influence future generations of scientists?
I hope that my work serves as a foundation for all future research in genetics. By understanding the principles of inheritance, scientists can make groundbreaking discoveries in fields such as medicine, agriculture, and biology.
Your contributions have indeed been monumental. What advice would you give to future scientists who are building on your work?
I would advise them to remain curious and patient. The mysteries of heredity are complex, but with dedication and careful observation, new discoveries are always within reach.
Thank you, Brother Mendel, for sharing your journey and insights. Your work will continue to inspire generations of scientists.
It has been an honor to contribute to our understanding of heredity. I am confident that future discoveries will continue to expand our knowledge of genetics.
Gregor Mendel's experiments with pea plants laid the groundwork for modern genetics, providing a systematic understanding of how traits are inherited. Join us in the next episode, where we explore Michael Faraday's discovery of electromagnetic induction, which sparked the modern world of electricity. Gregor Mendel was a real historical figure whose laws of inheritance changed the course of science. If you're fascinated by the stories behind the greatest scientific discoveries, make sure to follow and subscribe. Join us as we continue to explore the moments that changed our world.